Yo, there we go. What's up, everyone? Okay, I've recorded like a first video about 10 times now, but I swear this is the first one. Okay, I'm gonna try and start motovlogging now, because you know, the motovlog, you need a bike, and well, I got a bike now, so yeah. But anyways, please don't hit me. I'm just a biker. But now that I'm actually got a bike and all the shit, but you don't know me, my name's Matthew, or I think it's what, it's gonna be Milk Rides. Yeah, that should be it. Yeah, Milk Rides. My name's Matthew. It's the Ninja 300. I've rode it for about a week now, trying to make first videos, but they all come out pretty shit. I finally got all the kinks worked out and all the audio and all the GoPro shit, so it should be good now. And then, so just act like this is my first ride. I have no idea what I'm doing. Here, maybe I'll stall on purpose a few times. But I just said it's a 2016 Ninja 300. I picked it up a few weeks ago, probably about a month ago now. I've been loving this thing. It's been amazing. It's amazing in corners. It's not the fastest, but I don't need fast, especially for a beginner, but also it's just really fun. Honestly, you don't need a fast, super fast or high cc bike to have some fun. But it's gonna be the first video. I'm just going to work right now, so you guys get to watch that. Just, yeah. But I hate working at my job. You know, it's nice on paper because I do absolutely nothing. But whenever you're doing absolutely nothing for a while, for hours on end, it's so boring. Not allowed to be on your phone, nothing. And you got all the, because I work in an old people's gym. Trust me, they complain about that shit. But it's gonna take me a little bit to get used to the whole learning to actually talk while riding thing, because I'm definitely not used to it. But until then, you guys get stuttering and a lot of silent moments for no reason. But you guys can live with that for about a few videos until I finally figure out how to commentate. But for now, you get beginner me. Me and my friend tried YouTube a while ago. We made one good Modern Warfare 2 video. I don't care what you say, that was a good video. But now that it's just like motovlogging or like riding the motorcycle is gonna be almost everyday life, might as well vlog it, you know? I already have the, it's also for protection, but you know, might as well just have some fun with it. But, we're Florida people, left means fast. I don't care if we're on a highway or not. But, yeah, I'll cut up right here. But, if you guys are enjoying, just like, subscribe, or follow, or whatever, depending on what you're watching this on. But I'm sure I'll get better in time. Well, I mean, I kind of have to. If I'm gonna make this a living, I better make it better. I just woke up, so I'm not the most energetic. Yes, it is 10:40 and I just woke up. Don't yell at me. I was playing a lot of Ride 5 last night. If you know what Ride 5 is, you can understand. It's so hard on controller, okay? And I don't care what you say. Riding a bike is so much easier in real life. But work travel today. It'll probably just be a quick little video, probably on YouTube, just to get it going after I get it all set up. And then after that, I'll probably start, whenever some funny shit happens, that'll probably be on the Instagram, or when I'm more energetic, because nobody wants to see a lame ass video of a kid riding a bike going straight and with some minor turns on a reel. But oh, is that a cop? That is a cop. I should probably slow down. No, I'll pull him over. Fuck you, bitch. I mean, don't fuck you, bitch. You help serve our community. Just don't serve me a ticket. Thank you. Why does that have to be a cop? I don't want there to be a cop. I want to be able to not speed. I know what you're talking about. I gotta stay in this lane too because I gotta turn. But if you guys do enjoy this lame ass commentary and shit, just do whatever you want. Don't block me though. That'd be really mean. And I might have to follow. I might have to pursue you. For what? I don't know. I'll figure it out though. Come on, you're a cop. Speed up. Pull him over for being slow so I can speed. Please? We'll give you a donut. Ooh, a biker. Oh, I win. Damn, he's slow. Who's behind me? Not like I can run from this dude. Even if I could, I probably wouldn't. I'd probably die. Thank you. But I gotta turn, buddy, so. Ooh, that's a Lamborghini, not a Charger. A Lamborghini. Don't hit me, please. I don't want to feel like getting hit today. Maybe tomorrow, though. Fuck cancer. Or is it fuck cancer? What if I fuck cancer? What if I sleep with cancer? What if I become one with cancer? I got a new visor coming in, that's right. But I gotta lock in for a second. But I had a new visor coming in. So funny story on my visor situation. I got like a blue reflective visor because that's the one I wanted. But I ordered it from one dude on eBay because they only come on eBay. I have to buy a third party. But if you want to know what my gear is, it'll probably be in the description of something, whatever you're watching this on. But so I bought the visor, the first visor, okay? And then I waited about a week later just for him to refund it and said, nah, I'm going on vacation. So I'm like, what the fuck? You could have told me this when I bought it. And then so I ordered another one, and that one's shipped, so that one should be here. It's coming from China though, but it'll be here probably around, about what, 2 weeks from now? A week or two from now? But I have no idea what gear I'm in. I am shooting some serious flames. I'm gonna dyno tune this Ninja 300. But I'm already almost at work, but Tesla. I don't care. I hate Teslas. Maybe they're the owners. Tesla Plaid though. That's pretty cool. I'll take a Tesla Plaid. Mainly for the launch. Mainly for the speed. But other than that, screw Teslas and their owners. Except for Elon, he's pretty cool. Elon, hit me up. Give me some Teslas, just so I can sell them. Business, nothing personal. But I'm sure I'll get more energetic, more used to this whole talky talk things. But for now, you guys get a boring, lame, what the hell is he even talking about? What am I watching? Matt. So good for you. I gotta turn. I don't want to turn, but if I just want to not turn. Yeah. You turning? Nope. Okay. Is anybody over here? Nope. Oh, my ass cheeks. Oh, my ass cheeks get utterly destroyed. It's not even funny anymore. What time is it? I'm still way early for work. I gotta sit back and watch TikTok videos. So, maybe I should go in. I'll park right here. What's going on, guys? Oh, it's raining like a motherfucker. I can't see shit. Oh. Like my coworker. Oh my god, this visor's all fogged up. I cannot see shit. Anyways, where I left off, something, I was blabbing about something or saying bye or some shit like that. Oh. But, shit. I hate my job. Like, I'm not one of those, like, picky teenagers, like, oh my god, I actually gotta do work. It's actually for the exact opposite reason. I do absolutely no work. Which seems nice on paper, but I don't know if I said this already, it sucks. I was literally watching Bluey on one of the ellipticals for like 45 minutes straight because I was so bored and had absolutely nothing to do. Like, even the boss, because my dad used to work there when it first started, but even the boss, whenever he made the job of the receptionist, which I work at in the middle of the gym, the only reason it's a thing is because all the people complained, all the old people were like, oh, somebody should be in there. And the boss himself was like, what the hell am I supposed to have them do? So it's like, what the hell am I supposed to do? So it's like, it's a lose-lose situation for me. Oh, sharp turn. Wet, don't slip. Oh, I'm on brakes too. Even worse. But, the only reason I like that job, it's not even good either. Like, I get shit pay, I get a whopping 12 bucks an hour. Which is still better than nothing, I'll take that. I'll be humble about it, but damn, it's so annoying. I want to work, but I've applied to like 10 jobs. It's like, what the fuck? So, might as well do YouTube, you know? It pays a lot better than whatever I'm doing now, so I'm not built to be a receptionist. I'm built to be like a hitman or something. You know, sign me, hitman. That'd be kind of cool to be a hitman. You know, just kill like bad people. The bad guys. But, yeah, so, I mean, it's a pretty chill job. I mean, other than the fact that I do absolutely nothing. Like, they wouldn't even let you read a book there, which is even funnier. It's like, okay, you're not allowed to read a book, you can't play on your phone. Basically, you can't do nothing but sit there. So it's like, what the fuck? But, anyways, that's enough of me blabbing about that. It is a pretty, like, I have some pretty cool co-workers. I have a older one. We were talking about crabs today. Yes, those crabs. It's pretty funny. No, please don't hit me. Let me through. 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 Ah! My thing. Hello? Magnet. Can somebody let me through? No, you're not gonna let me through. No. Okay, I'll go through myself. I'll fit through here. What am I thinking? I just slid out. Whatever.
trying to die.